Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Okay, so proceed agad tayo sa ating number 1 example. So, express 6x squared y divided by 12xy squared in its simplest form. So, first, i-rewrite muna natin si 6x squared y divided by 12xy squared. Okay? So, gagawin natin sa numerator, i-factor natin yan, si 6. That is 2 times 3. Okay? Tapos yung dalawang x times x. Kasi nga x squared, di ba? Tapos isang y times y. Divide natin yan. Si 12, factor natin yan. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. So, 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so 12 na yan. So, isang x times x tapos times dalawang y. Okay, so ngayon, i-cancel natin yung common factor or yung kapareho. Si 2 at saka yung isang 2. Si 3 at saka 3. X at saka x at saka yung y. Cancel natin yan. So, ang naiwan sa numerator, x na lang. Diba? So, sa numerator ay x over sa denominator ay si 2 at saka si y. Or 2 times y, that is 2y. So, ito na yung final answer natin. X over 2y. Okay, so next, example number 2. Simplify x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, gagawin natin dito, i-factor natin yung numerator at saka si denominator. Okay, so yung numerator natin, so this is difference of two squares. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, i-factor natin yan, so difference of two squares, this is positive and negative. Okay, so yung square root ng x squared ay x. Okay, so lagay natin yan yung dalawang x dyan. So yung difference of two squares, so either positive or negative. Okay, pwede magkabaligtad yan. Okay, negative or positive. Ayusin natin yung plus. Tapos square root ng 1 is 1. Okay, kapag i-multiply mo yan, itong dalawa, si x minus 1 times x plus 1. So, the result is x squared minus 1. So, divided by si x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, this is perfect square trinomial. So, factor natin yan. So, that is x tapos x din sa kabila. Then, factor ng 1, that is 1. Then, since dalawang positive yan, so positive at saka positive. Then 1 times 1. Kapag i-multiply mo yan using FOIL method, the result is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, ngayon, i-cancel natin yung common factor or yung kapareho ng term. Si x plus 1 at saka si x plus 1. Okay, so ngayon, kunin natin yung naiwan. Si x minus 1 over x plus 1. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, so maraming salamat sa pakikinig at panunood. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.